situation of child trafficking in West Bengal, and the different forms of perspectives that can be thought of. The next slide. Yeah. Now, as far as child trafficking is concerned, what happens is West Bengal basically is a very border state where it shares borders with the country of Bangladesh, and the fact that people in both the states, especially in the border districts, they are poor enough. So taking that into consideration, there are different forms in which child they themselves are trafficked, and trafficked in the sense they are being sold for different forms of prostitution and other so-called purposes. So what I'm going to discuss is in the context of the new bill that is there in place, because otherwise question comes in that the law already is in place. Already IPC has been converted into VNS, Bharatiya NS, and there are hardly any changes. Only sections are just here and there they have been changed. But there's a new bill which I want to talk about. The next slide. Yeah, research questions basically here speak in the context of how firstly I mentioned, is the law and the procedure in India that is adequate enough to address the offense of child trafficking. Secondly, is the new bill in India adequate to address child trafficking? Next slide. Yeah, the hypothesis is that the laws in India with the new bill on child trafficking, they are new, but have certainty of addressing the offences. And the methodology here, I have actually carried out along with my student a doctrinal research. I mean, we have relied on case judgments which show the efficacy of the law. The next slide. These are the following books that we have covered. Specifically, we have looked back in respect of the Code of Criminal Procedure writings of Ratanlal Vigas.